Okay, welcome back. We are doing quad tutorial number 3, which will be short and sweet. So if you don't have a calculator and a marker board, marker and wipe in front of you, go ahead and pause the video and go get one. All right, so this is our final square root type of problem that we're going to be preparing for. And you notice right away that this is a proportion. So a proportion is basically when we have a fraction equal to another fraction. Another word for a fraction is a ratio. So we have a ratio on the left side that's equal to a ratio on the right side. And together it's called a proportion. All right, so this is a proportion, and we're going to solve it the same way that we did when we looked at proportions that were linear. We're going to cross multiply. So we're going to say x times x is x squared, and 9 times 16, that's 54. Carry the 5, that's 144. And I need a calculator. All right, and then bam, look where we're at. X squared equals 144. All right, I know how to get rid of that square, don't you? We're going to go ahead and take the square root of whatever we do to one side of the equation, we have to do to the other side. If we ever find ourselves taking the square root of both sides of an equation, we have to remember to put the plus or minus in front of the side that has the number. And we explained why over and over again before, so hopefully you got that. The square root of 144 is 12 if you've done the calculator. But because we're in an equation, we have to include the negative because negative 12 squared is also equal to 144. And there you have it. The positive 12 and negative 12 work. You could also, by the way, write this as x could equal negative 12 or x could equal positive 12. That shows you more distinctly that we have two answers. But keep on writing it. Oops, there goes my mic. Okay, I'm back. Let me put this mic back on. But we'll continue to write our answers with the plus or minus. Just wanted to show you that. All right, let's switch to marker boards. Go ahead and pause me and do the marker board, and then we'll come back and check your work. All right, here we go. Once again, we have a proportion, so we're going to solve this by cross multiplying. X times x is x squared. Put the equal sign before you do the other cross multiplying. 4 times 25 is 100. That was easy to do without my calculator. I see a squared. I know what to do. I get rid of a square by taking the square root. Take the square root of that side because I have to keep things fair and equal and balanced. So we have x equals plus or minus 10. And I believe that's the end of our video. Woo woo, we are done. All right. See ya the next pack and the next video. It was fun.